Hello friends, and welcome to the 1000 subscriber special! On my community page, I put up a poll asking you all what you would like me to do for my 1000 subscriber special. And the majority voted for me to retry a previously failed video. And so I chose to try the globe again. If you have watched that video, it was a very, very long time ago, and it did not work as well as I had hoped. You can see that there is a very large ridge around the center of this. Also, it's yellowed quite a lot. This was with the Dr. Crafty resin, which is what I used before I got into the Total Boat resin. So it looks really, really bad. It also has a very large nipple on it. So anyway, so that's what I decided to try to do. Also, Thursday's video will be another fail video that I'm retrying. So it's kind of like, it's a weekly celebration, I guess, here for this. So I'm going to try it with, this is the largest mold that I used for this one. I'm going to try it with one step down with this medium-sized mold, and we'll see how it goes. I have already pulled what I want to use for it, which is Larisi glitter. This is holographic gold, and I thought gold would be kind of pretty, you know, in there. We'll see how it turns out. That is going to be today's video. Very quick introduction to it, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you again so much for subscribing to the channel and supporting me. It really does mean the world to me. So with that said, and without any further ado, let's jump into it. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. I had quite a lot of this purpley pink resin left, so I poured another one of these little trays, hoping I got most of the bubbles out of the sides. So let's see. Let's see how she looks. Ooh, a little bit of extra resin came out. Oh, wow. Actually looks really, really good. I'm only seeing like a couple of tiny bubbles, but those are on the underside. So yeah, this turned out great. Oh, I do see one there and one there, but other than that, I think it turned out perfectly. I'm gonna maybe do something cool with the middle in a separate video. We'll see how I feel, but yeah, that is today's bonus unmolding. I'm nervous, you guys. I'm very, very nervous for this. Is it going to turn out good or is it going to suck? That is the question. Let us see. Do I do it? Do I not? I'm stalling. I'm stalling because I'm nervous. I don't really need to be picking off this extra resin right here. I'm not even looking. I'm gonna unmold and you guys can look and you can tell me how it, well, I can already feel a ridge. My eyes are completely closed right now. I'm not looking. I am not looking at this. Okay. This bottom piece doesn't want to come off. Oh, actually, I just opened my eyes and looked at it because I was like, obviously I'm trying to do something wrong here. The ridge I was feeling was extra resin around the edge here. Okay. Okay. There is a bit of a ridge. Uh-huh. Okay. Let's see if I can get this bottom piece off. Good grief. Okay. There is a ridge. Trying to figure out how I can show you guys that there is a ridge. I don't know, maybe you can kind of see that. But it's not too bad. There is a ton of bubbles where the top was, which was probably definitely my fault. But this side is real pretty. Would I call this a win? Well, here's the thing, right? So this can be sanded down and filled in, and the ridge can be sanded down a lot easier than this ridge would have been, because this ridge was significant. I don't know where my ruler is, so I can't measure it, but it is a significant edge right here in comparison to this one. This one is not so bad. Will I take the time to do that? Probably not for this video. But I'm not, I say this all the time, I'm not mad at it. And to be honest with you, I kind of am mad at it. I'm not mad at this. I'm mad at these molds because these molds lie. They claim that you can make a perfectly round globe with just one pour, and clearly that is not the case because these are two different sizes. I thought, okay, well, obviously the big one didn't work so well, which is why we have this very large ridge here. So maybe the smaller one would work better. It doesn't. It really doesn't. Do I have one of those balls that I made? Not handy. Anyway, this mold set came with molds for for like marbles or whatever. They're like marble sized, and it's one solid complete mold, and those come out perfect because there's no like two-part, you know, you're not getting ridges and stuff. I am giving up on these. I will never ever be able to complete a fully round perfect globe with these big ones. The small ones I'm definitely going to use again because I think they're very, very cute. But yeah, this just, it's frustrating. It's frustrating to me. I'm sure that if you guys have these molds and have tried them, you've probably had the same exact thing happen to you, and it's probably been very frustrating for you. This mat is very, very dirty, and my ADHD is going crazy staring at it. So I'm going to go ahead and sign off here. Sorry that my 1,000 subscriber video ended with yet another partial fail. We'll call it a partial fail. Yeah, we'll call it a partial fail. It's not as bad as this one was. So it kind of worked and then kind of didn't as well. So I don't know. Also, there's like a big bubble here, but there's a tiny layer of resin over top of it, and it kind of just looks like, I don't know, like cello wrap on it. Anyway, again, ADHD brain. Okay, so yeah, that was today's video. Thank you guys again so much for 1,000 subscribers. I can't believe it. It's amazing to me. You guys are amazing. Everyone is amazing. I love you guys so very much. Thank you again. If you enjoyed watching me fail yet again, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new to my channel, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you all so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.